Barkley was excited. It was the day he finally got to go home with his new family. The staff at the rescue shelter treated him very well, but he was ready to go to his forever home. As the shelter door opened, Barkley heard a familiar voice call out his name. Barkley ran towards the door as fast as his 4 legs would carry him. It was Maya. She had come to visit him in the shelter before, and he was so happy to be joining her family. But when Barkley got to his new home, he started to get nervous. Barkley had never been there before. He wasn't sure what to do. The house felt really big, and he felt really small. Barkley slowly crept through the doorway. He stuck his tail between his legs. It's tough being somewhere strange, he thought. What if I get lost, he wondered. Barkley was surprised by all the new people in the house. Everyone was looking at him. It was a little scary. He thought it would be hard to make new friends, even if it was with his new family. It was too much for poor Barkley. His head drooped and his ears dragged along the ground as Barkley walked slowly and sadly over to a quiet corner. Barkley hoped no one would see him there. He even started to shake a little. But then Maya saw that Barkley really needed a friend. She smiled, walked over, and sat beside him in the corner. Maya put her arm around poor Barkley and told him not to worry. I've had first day twos, she smiled. Barkley looked up. His ears even perked up. He wanted to hear more. He liked being hugged. It made him feel safe. I was nervous on my first day of school, said Maya. I didn't know anyone. I didn't know where anything was. Do you know what made it better for me? Asked Maya. Barkley wished he could talk. He really wanted to know. My teacher came over and told me that everything was going to be okay. She was kind and helped me meet some of the other kids. After that, I didn't feel so scared anymore. Maybe I can help you, Barkley. Barkley thought that was a great idea. He liked Maya very much. Maya brought Barkley around the room to meet the family. Barkley was nervous, but he still sniffed everybody's hand. He even let them pet him. Everyone was so nice. Barkley started feeling a whole lot better. Before he knew it, Barkley forgot all about being nervous. He started playing chase with the kids. He jumped into the grown-ups' laps and let them scratch his belly. He even let out a happy bark. After a big day of meeting new people and playing games, Barkley was ready for a long nap. It isn't always easy to go somewhere new, but it's the best thing that ever happened to me, thought Barkley. Then Barkley drifted off to dream about all the fun he would have tomorrow.